Hello everyone, I am going to share you about the inheritance in Angular 17. So let's explore the inheritance in Angular. Angular components are TypeScript classes and participate in standard JavaScript inheritance semantics. A component can extend by any base class. See here the syntax. Export class list box base. The value as a strings. This one is the class list box base, and here is the component class. Return export class custom list box extend to list box base. Here custom list box inherit the value property. Extending other component and directive. When a component extend another component or a directive, it inherit all the metadata defined in the base class decorator and the base class decorator member. This include the selector, template, style, host binding, input, output, lifecycle methods, and other settings. See here the examples. Component, the selector is the base list box. Here is the template. You can template define as per you, and here is the host event. See the key down, key handle events. The list box base class define the input value string and the event handle key. Handle key, that is keyboard event. The component custom list box and define the template as per you, and host here define the click event, focus active options. Export class custom list box extend to list box base. Input declare the input disable default false and focus active options function. In the above example, the custom list box, see here is the custom list box, inherit all the information associated with the list box base, overriding the selector and template with its own value. Custom list box has two input, value and disable. The value and disable, and the two event listener key down and click. See here is the click and here is the key down. Child class end up with the union of all their custom inputs, outputs, and host binding of their own. These are the inheritance in Angular 17. For more detail, you can visit the Angular documentation. Provide all the details in the comment box. So I hope you got this idea about inheritance in Angular 17. Thank you.